we bu so yemo na adwe e mo na kwa baze ba oye Kasa TV Kasa Jumezido na Nyankopon na adom ma enwumbri so etum yehia ye besinkonwa ayebotum eze ye na adwenkyere eze aba oye dem Jumezido ne ya cheche nyama okodo wo man Ghana afane bebia na etumi atwetwe ho nkomo na odo bebi so a as institutions a won hu hia wo mani mo rezidwuma kasi bebre na waza aboa o mani mampuntu etum abam ndem na na asa ye hye won bode nne as oye National Road Safety Authority fu mpanyimfo ba befia ha na waba obecheche yen won nyumeza a wozi won na asoye mpono wasi nde wozi emrafofor aba oboboa ma oye wana wozi okada wozi ejuma na wozi pragea wozi ejuma na mpono ehena wo Ghana ha commercial na private na no dem mra no dem obeya wo bia bohu na watemra na ase dem obeya wo hu nkaka igom na akere menyim na bia wosi na ignorant is not an excuse to the law ni say enyima ono nchede ode wozi chew nti say ye nchechire ma Ghana fu nyina woten na ase wo hu mbra wode nyina ye hwe na eze ye nze ya oban oyende road safety activities and issues music there yaza oboboa papa ye the minti na nwumbri yeze oye road safety fo yaza ba fie ha the nyoma bezi ehia ya twonkom fa woni dwumeza wozi mfo ka road safety oya abaze abendwuma na wozi wo na aso yewo ina za mpemfo ha obotum wa chechire mu bebre na etum ya taase iwe ne se kono ho a na amu akonya na se bia wonsam ko na de esam bi se bia na ezaba na nyina ya abo madwumezi no wetum wakọ do toti ndama enyina na abribia no ya hwehwe no na dama de bia ya ka chon mezenze oya dani abawana na mensa aka oye mpanyimfo ebien a wo free oye road safety National Road Safety Commission oye Central Region a wo fia ade ya enwumbri anyombo twonkomo yewo oye Mr. KWAME TENKORANG OSEI ono ye Road Safety Regional P.R.O na Central Regional P.R.O na Mr. KWAME OPARE ono so ye Regional Planning Officer wo National Road Safety Central Region na mpanyimfo ebieni na enwumbri Yankopon be ya dom na enwu na hwetwe nkomo na wa kyen nyumaza wozi wo na aso ye ho na ya wa ma ya ta amna wo ya tinyema ekura na de bieni bi ase na mo be ya nyina eboboa ezimbra no do ma won dwumazi no na no ago amon na wa aboa enso ma enso yenye na yeze hen na yeze oye moto ebia azibia na ofakal kon do bia no na nyipa so pedestrians no nyina obe safata de nyombo twonkomo no wa cheche na mnyema na bepre producer de bia obo eduma oze ma empa oye ben producer on duty ben ya das bebre pa de abribia na kaka nyema esesenyi ma yetumi obetena ha na hwetwe nkomo befo ma ora kwa aba
yeja
se bibia aboko na bibia mo free say Aunt Linda Moni na na Fredu ya munyi na obia from from pom oyina mi hu o mo acho munyi na obia ho e dey go for ase eze enyimre ye bedi nkomo na a church your audience no what they need to know as far as road safety regulations are concerned na edikan I believe a very fine say mu be kire say ka road safety once I dey important na road safety I dey important na we will say mandate as far as road safety is concerned mama enti sanyema ba ko mienu we ase we are na want to zero down on the new airline na aba no say na we am be kire mu say na be beti ase especially okada for ni motor for no o mati ase yie so obi akonko ye mistake na we say o me pa macha mo fa nchame dabi bibisa endo after you have understood the rules and regulations properly no me say ebeboa informant mo mandate ase na yen ewia na je say beba down to airline no na ya hwe emunsa yeah that's it. Great. Great.
Now, first one, national security and policy and carry mandate. Let us say any media, let their shares. Ebe to afan na ya bo council kuse ho bewu na wi enu so na ya san ye regulate ebe pese certain entities and I say ni pe bi obi djuma efa ekwa ho ekwa so ne the council will not be there. Almost no, almost no, ebe nana ya kisha to hono ebe bano baby nana so ye ma ebe contrary nana ya sheni na ya sounds set standards.
Okay.
For nyama related to 50 at a young shy between the Aquasia Abba. Yama yina no Osha yina say Aquasia way on quite national ebe baffo nipa umuno ebe baffo nipa injured ebe baffo and a vehicles crana involved in accidents now was in a baffo. So that is our mandate to say yebe na Aquasia so abaffo.
Okay.
And that you will be develop and I exam promoting related to safety on our goods.
That's maybe P.R.O. Now, in terms of money, public relationship, how do you vis-a-vis your duties and as a mandate, how do you relate to the public?
Okay, me that's it. Ba National Safety Authority edwumadi na yedia yewo school bus inspection.
Okay.
No you call various schools are run the transport services. Say be a school bi on ma enkwala wo ho no ma or the bus or the fan kwala. It you call our school mo no ekoye inspection ma buses na wo ho.
Okay.
So our school kro na mu nso no yes akokoye school education. You call church the student no because omo point school one way or the other omo benam ekwan ho ekwan so ho de na yeso abaye road user.
Okay.
The road users no ye war riders ye war cyclists ye war drivers no yes our pedestrians. It is so far as our point school need automatically obefa kwan ho better than pedestrians. That's a pedestrians no then I saw the go upon ho a ema akwanhia bi ento na te car bi emmo time man onam ekwan ho eno so wo ho. Sometimes so you call terminal because I don't have for a year for any mudigma. You call various terminals and I say you can lorry stations. Any junior executives ni drivers na as a whole equal twetwen komo. Ebra bi nyina yakoyom kakaye. Na nsen ya insu start to say to yi. Insu mu driving is different from insu ntoye. Then so you call various terminals na dey church there komo. So na ye terminals one na no so no. You would maybe be the FN pre-departure checks. And before car be about Mrs. Skill or try to see or station, but before Mrs. Skill are you go through some checks. And so okay, fine. Car na Mrs. Skill no. The interior decos no okay, say a big movie. After so tires na share car na no. Tires na okay for that journey. Tire na rear, tire na expire. Afi we headlight ni wipers ni we tail light ni na ye adwuma esa pre-departure checks ansa na car no a movie. Yes also call various churches. Ye call mosques to say ochina say nyame adoma ye be call abrani asa call kotokwaba mosques and so ye church ya na e eko. Sometimes so ebia union bi ana say bi organization bi so etimi to yensa frɛ yen e ma ye kudiem ko yen church le. Yes a call communities ekoye community film shows actually the way I can share sometimes you see the impact videos about post crashes actually you use any affirm so educate communities no sometimes you say me use your find the information system various communities and I see your TV and radio stations and so ecoboda road you know say any aban adwuma ikwa ekwanso kwese ho da ubo no yedi mu akote ana say yedi kan nti we na yeto fa ye niam bebre na ye wo yaso ye a ye de ko eye various stations ne market ne other as for na ko church say de we niam akọ sanso na sometimes so yetimi etifa ye kwantempon no so also do an inspection ehwe baby one man they are supposed to be a friend say road markings e wo bata paper agency ben and a responsible to yes I don't know paper no e wo one jurisdiction because see e ba ye kwantempon no so a ye wo institution miensa omo ye kwan e Ghana Highway Authority, Department of Urban and Department of Federal Roads. Nti be akoye inspection no be born ma potholes ho, street light any honum speed ramps she say bi ba ho. Ni nyina na wi a ye hwese okay fine e dia sa stretch way within the jurisdiction of urban roads. We will go to them and present our case to them. Federal roads e de be ko highway e de be ko. No more so amefemu no so mo so de niam agu apon so amaye.
Oh, okay. Now, from what you are saying, you could do a lot of power.
Yeah, niam be.
Now, in the midst of all this information, education, we still have a lot of accidents happening. Sometimes stars in the bar, cause if you are a was a buffer. At the end of the year, now a ma accident means is it that stakeholders no drivers no titru ono almost what thing and say ya kwan no what at all is the main reason why I na etanya Kasa because I say you sorry I say I think was it somewhere of Anko accident kasi bi si manipa be say 10 or so omo efrem what is the cause of that?
Okay, yeah, that's it. The mechanic say you can say road safety and as a kwanzo kwese hu da ubo na ye nyina ya sede say obi abaye na famu de it as a road safety inspector be kwa bontin yakoye nkyerkyere media for mu ka ho be say na mama ye akwanya ya yo ha ya kyerkyere tifo send akese ye di adwuma ewo ye nkwantempo no so ye papa driver ni won so wa sede ne sen kyese ono so ye na famu de
okay
ye maame nom ekofa ka ye passengers on be o ma famu de ye nuan ma ne nam kwa ho as pedestrians ono so be na famu de no na ye nyina ye famu de a ene ebetimi ehun say oh impact and say education na no aba from by the guys okay fine authority for na dwuma at the end of the day no authority ni de be ko ene be ma boss schools ni communities ni na akoye but ye ba na community ni nso fa asopa antienya se ase enche na ye ba be di ogwa fetu afahye ebedru honoma ana say do sa period na do for market day ebi mu free ye fairness various places and a bucket place oba ya loading for akra waba from Takado aba obedu ya onye na home na osa akọ obo se na ebre asset in and your friend fatigue wa bre bozo otisti na kisa na order ana yin nso ni say yan kwantempo no so no ene wo emra ebo kwanso kose ho de wo ela ya new one aba say ela 2519 ebo kwanso kose ho de wo no ye wo America tenta ke say obi atu e wo kwantempo no so enti yemfa ne say bia ufiri aha e kwa akra ye say ko 90 km/h na ukobro so yin ka say speeding enye but so be kwabro so no ene di so bone ne ebeba second one I na sama kwanhia tasi wrongful overtaking yen ka so overtaking ye but the moment I be the wrongful one no ene be ma akwanhia na ide esi because o ye wrongful overtaking na probability say head on collision ene be the next thing high because ye kwan no esusua o ye overtaking no wanim da ho na we for no be cry ye overtaking during curves mo no da kuhia
and they very common
incoming vehicle na ba no inteno so ye ade ba ko ntime kan ka fatima ka speed maka wrongful overtaking na sometimes so obo ono ma ne hodwodwo no akọ hospital ya mo waduro enu bebe wono ma ke se o je wa home na ono maduro no ma o body no ehiliwie oto bo ono ma ono maduro no sa de etwika obo hu na aduro no mre ye no enso ewo nso ambo na enso etimi adeba afen so obi ye ko no sa drive ana say o tikem no nya ko nsa ba ko kuta phone e wona so de nsa ba ko drive bia ko na e ba no kwa ya yam hihye bi na Edeba eno nso wo ho eno nso de ye friend say akwanhia enso ba na ya na asefem say do ye kwan ne nye but baby a ekwan ne ye no de ho na akwanhia ne si mo baby a ekwan ne nye no ho akwanhia ne intense
because omota ko slow
fantastic
dodge potholes na
baby wo no ma baby wo no ma street light e wo kama
okay
akwanhia si wo ho no baby a street light ensi no akwanhia intense okay nti e best de say de ye bobɔ so nyina no yenim say papa no dawafo ye nuanom omotwi pragia aboboya ene motorcycles nyina omonim de ka nyina but ye best de say omo betie na so pam no mo de ye adwuma na afi nso eye la ya yefiro ye bekoso eye mra ebo okada driver ni ene obi a wotwi car obi a wotwi pragia obi a wotwi motorcycle ebo obi a ho ban enti say wo di traffic money yes we fine eso kokko a che driver ni gina wo ye eye motor rider so a che won so gina traffic a che cars ni nyadi so bo na pragia fo na wo ye fa won okada fo dadi che won so ye de edi so enyi mfa ho ti du say ye ko airline se be bo ne man so airline no e kira ma atiefo ne obiara oye involved in those activities na so e be share so amaye.
Okay. Na mama mbisa Mr. Opare answer na area na ya ba airline so. In terms of on say on Kasa no obo nyema bebre a etimi ma akwanhia eba. Na yenim say mo wo other institutions a mo ni o mo collaborate be the Highway Authority, Ghana Police Service, DVA and so forth. How do you collaborate with this institution to ensure say sa enyema we nyina etimi di akwanhia be so better?
How can you know? Any stakeholders to collaborate. Like I say, the costa say, entity, you're trying to call points sometimes. And sometimes they don't call enforcement.
Okay.
Or hear what is happening on a point. It's use the opportunity to educate road users, drivers, the commercial vehicle. Passengers no driver no the normal Kasa before the passengers say all the passenger when you want to say they walk as you say we say driver need and so feel say it's putting your life at risk. Speak up maybe came up in shine is Kasa you know only driver and Kasa very to was it sometimes we say number cancel the ground tima driver and problem speak say Kasa but only Kasa wo
akoma paso enshene bufuo
other passengers
that was nibi almost speak kwana sa waka che almost say onto no boys na buefu ape na wanda no go slow obetumi akora sa
any better chance say over speed any other passengers to Kasa say so be Kasa what sometimes obi Kasa na passenger ba kwa kan na obiti another passenger be shoot baby
yeah
no come something
ya pentamo o say driver no kwa na ya pentam ya late
so untini kana so bi ka
yedin so sure
maybe there is some Kasa on their speed and all that and motorists so the importance of helmets in animal in educating police when they know for education purposes.
Okay.
Yes a lot and with the road agencies the mostly no sometimes it's minimum joint road inspection especially say call out na reports feedback maybe your terminal we say quite say ni kusiano portal say then ya buy your report
okay
na they come road agency no so that they look into it na nyombe yo no maye sometimes we will maye no mo so timi call out kwa inspection no to verify some of the claims all that and assembly so I think 2 years ago and I didn't know a policy be by I started from a district road safety committees.
Okay.
In every district be a road safety committee. in partnership with the and
Kasa na me a member.
Oh, remember.
One of the districts.
Districts, yes. Exactly. So in and it's road safety committees to sit out and look and talk about some of these issues on the committee level. So I think some of these things, so and also you're collaborating at every level, no, every road agency, no. You know, to say new lawyer by with some of the legalizations, especially with the commercial riders inside. We will say we will collaborate most with the assemblies and the DVLA. To say any regulatory body in a day, but we will say we work hand in hand with
other institutions,
with the DVLA and the assembly more.
My young share a new LIA Abbey. What is the purpose? I didn't know. Man, so name say mra wo hoda. Ma obi a share or ye na djuma. Nje ban se na afi de modi new LI edi aba.
Okay. Didi kan ye beka say na eba road traffic regulations ane wo LI aye 2180. Na na ye mra ebo kwa so but there has been an amendment. But amendment no. Yeah, amendment in Nkwana Ebema LI 2118 a little bit complicated kaka. So now we are not using the LI 2180. See, and the one a Road Traffic Amendment Act 2025, Act 1153, and a Road Traffic Regulation 2026, LI 2519. Now LI 2519 is saying the no Kasa plain commercial motorcycles, which is Okada, tricycle, Abubuya, legal for commercial transport under the new law. They say no, Okada, tricycle, Abubuya, Numunyina, they say no, you legalize it. Commercial. And now the entire commercial, no say, you see, Nana, former. Transport services. Because Okada then reforms are thereby improve road safety, accountability, and professionalism, and so now National Road Safety Authority and the main regulator. Into LI 2519 National Road Safety Authority and main regulator na Rebecca say na ela na yesi legalize Okada then senate here sisi ano yesi every commercial motorcycle operation must comply with 4 pillars ye woni ma na bi a che say rider bi ana say bi a obi a o engage in that services no oye yedi kan ye licensing of your friend is saying riders and the vehicle it je say o nipa na ubetwi Abubuya no ana say P.R.O no che say o riders license now o vehicle no so no che say no so your license registration and licensing
na mo ni license o
na make say
ni bebre na
enti enim say mo fidie we e ko echi enti o mutie ye enti o be say no se si ane de before obetwi Okada no che say okuta valid license and afin so see so registration and licensing of a union or a company. See ano enya dia and just say individuals say be obi aye de ope. See ano just almost ba into either a union and as a company because see I say you back up kusano man. Ye wo drivers union be me person me DB betu to that. GPR ye wo Franco for e wo ho cooperative for her, those be brain. That is the various unions and companies. Into Okada for no, and I say, your friend is saying, for no, they have to also come together and form a union.
Very good.
Now, union non sono a National Road Safety Authority, any DVLA, and a Besheso. Into Siciano, Chese Omunaba together. Now, you say, national level no so as a union no che say riders no union na che say unya members of 100 and above ɛyɛ riders ɛhyɛ wase sɛ woyɛ company nso a kyerɛ sɛ wonya 50 and above but woyɛ company ni dia 50 and above no within just one region but woyɛ union dia kyerɛ sɛ wotimi nya operations ɛwɔ 8 regions.
Oh, okay.
8 regions no kyerɛ sɛ wowɔ members ɛyɛ 100
in each
plus
of the regions.
in each of the regions.
Wow.
Na wobɛba road safety authority as a union no abɛgye operating license. One form of union because before I form union no kan woyɛ company a kyerɛ sɛ wokɔ register ɛwɔ registrar general ɛmɛ ma nkrataa sɛ woyɛ company. Union no nso wɔ ne union no nso register under your friend is saying trade union
Congress anasa.
Yes. Nti ono so wɔ no nso ne nkrataa enso wɔ hɔ. Na waba ɛyɛ National Road Safety Authority. Na yɛn ama ɛyɛ operating license.
Okay.
Nti wonya operating license ni free ɛyɛ National Road Safety Authority a na wokɔ ɛyɛ assembly. Na assembly nso ama operating permit.
Oh, okay.
It assembly na be because e back post one man then time ana LI a year 2519 in my assembly in collaboration with the other stakeholders no a year police FTC the DVL National Safety Authority National Insurance Commission ye ba together and I am okay fine say see ano okada and just say Prague just all cross the highway it is say dia okodru a year total P.R.O junction ye fa wo ho no ma e de ho kotokraba but you difficult kotokraba na so you fit antwe oba be dru a year akaka mo dru total na ye US wo na wo nipa no mu across aba eye P.R.O junction eye urban roads for no asafa na say bia cooperative station ho no afa okada Prague ni bi ona de aba e bi abra na asa na sefo enti se oba na road safety for ne ma eye licenses now operating licenses now no kwa assembly na assembly sama permit the assembly dey beka so okay fine wo and as a union we mu route am be use ni
okay
assembly na be ma mu route am be use assembly dey be ma mu station eno no and after so wo say wie nso a wasa akọ eye DVLA for license enti individual bia na o koshe union ase no just say wunya o riders license
okay
and after so car your friend is saying Prague so no just say your license so say how here o number plate ni blue ni for your friend is saying private so that means say you know wo dey be a commercial business there just say DVLA move from a blue number plate no to yellow just say DVLA for mount a new your friend is saying you can say new number plate
okay
Emma ode eboho inti se wo moto no the you kada just number plate yellow
okay
but for private use there the number ne be blue na Prague so a the number no e be blue no there ne private you find commercial but so there commercial there just say o number plate no enso esesa
okay
afen so now hwe old airline ni ma na u age enye nim se Ghana hanom no so u di 18 years a na ye be ma o license but license no de be ye for private undimi fa enye commercial business e bia o de kotwi taxi ana se kotwi ovan
okay
but nanka u di 25 years de a emra ne ma on kwan se u betimi atwi commercial vehicles yes but see ano ye amendment no ye di age ni free 25 aba 21 sorry you see no age na be 21 into 21 nso no we be ka say adenti na ya mfa ma e bia na enti ana se mfa ma 20 but say Ghana ha no we betimi no akọ contractor you see ni fan year 21
years
and above enti na dia be share 21 enti before you be register as commercial rider no first you say we di 21 years second you say what a valid Ghana card 3 Chese who belongs to a union or a company. Third, complete approval riders training.
Okay.
Last one here, pass DVLA medical theory, practical riding and traffic test before receiving a commercial license. In the sense your driver ni now kodo license procedure na offer mu no. Say procedure na motor riders ni so and now say Prague riders ni so ebe fam. just to get their license. After so a mandatory say praga driver any Okada rider ebe share helmet and a helmet and say we share the approved helmet approved helmet aba system ni ma Ghana Standard Authority agi atum say we na ye approved helmet a obetimi ahye time a wutwi OPARE and say wutwi Okada so just say a valid third party insurance.
Okay.
In the center cars insurance various insurance companies na say insurance so ana just say motor rider ni Okada riders ni so no just say won so no we insure third party insurance.
Okay.
After so follow
pass mo comprehensive insurance.
Yes, and do it ma acquire bit me but at least 1 year crowd just say part we dey unya. After so follow passenger and vehicle capacity limit.
Okay.
Okada
a key
because Okada ba ko na etena wachi eti ba ko na etena wachi no driver ne ka ho a and as a rider ne ka ho a mu ye two na moto so ye two ni nyina so nya helmet.
Okay.
E wo so eti Okada drivers no make sure say o two helmet we passenger so na kofa ye friend is saying Okada so make sure say when your helmet so aye dey ahye and so wo after so observe the approved code of conduct. Can I can kind your act your airline and yes our guidelines. Enti enema bia na say we disu because you see you are to traffic mu disu kama moko never ko enko yimfa ho because praga drivers ni mo riders and am kan je no na ebema enforcement ni so ayede abemu no dey be am ka say National Road Safety Authority we are not interested in your fine just do the right thing at the right time. After so attempt mandatory refresher training.
Okay.
Because some drivers go on ma sometimes it may organize drivers and area terminal we you train say bia we Okada na say your friend is Pragia our union as a fashion team say as time goes on there's going to be a year refresher training. After so you be as an assembly ni so almost duma de ben pa no mbedi e wo sa na ma we say na mbedi kan no assembly ni be approve operating route and as a route a obefefa anamo a obefefa eno assembly ni na e be hwesa de no after so obe manage local traffic requirement enso amamo after so ba bia mo begina de mbedi kan no ba bia mo begina bia ha na ye mu station because when the miga say register o company we safety for amount your friend is saying operational permit assembly so amount permit nti big imagine baby ada bi your baby assembly ni be provide the same so be you know say issuing of local operating permit only after National Road Safety Authority has issue an operational license. It before assembly be mount a operational permit no or no be say am pass what ba National Road Safety Authority National Road Safety for amount operating license and answer. Until without say National Road Safety for ebema operational license and assembly MR permit. And doing to me guys oh my National Road Safety a good to make assembly that be
okay.
Chese
we ha na why
eti
complement each other
and sana wako because we ko DVL for be assessment e wo mdeta hu say ampa waba DVL waba National Road Safety Authority and as waba your friend is assembly abe those any na sana mo so any why de mo be yan okay we be that now licensing process in so senate here for organization you say form a union or a company apply to National Road Safety Authority ubetua a license fee kakra obtain a district assembly permit begin operation under regulatory supervision. No oh yeah right for riders you say join a license union
okay
until one na Kasa na wo because there's going to be a sticker I bet you they say union we ni make sure say oh license and I say union na one your license ampa when you say do everybody sounds so for ever put tip answer and also them run so do by man after so apply to DVLA membership verification you be verify because you ba bonte you be first am pass road safety ma union we permit no am pass say union ho na won so ye de wa and happen so we receive your license from DVL for the last one and so on na was start e waduma and na the can be e kan ho ye approval of helmet yes meet the standard that LI 2468 and your national road safety national road safety for your LI
okay
LI we na ye kan ho asem ni wan aba na ye road traffic act
okay
and I can want but national road safety so wo ye nso ye LI dey aduma it helmet no so ye so meet the national road safety authority LI na kan ye LI 2468 and the Ghana standard authority for agiatum che say e bo ho ban for injury because helmet no ye woni ma be na wo
okay
ye wo pad e wo as we ti ball no mention of say ka habes one no e be spread say na ma pains no akofom kakra afin so ye say weight no shouldn't be more than 1.85 kg
oh okay
because ubo ba ubro ko fa bia ba helmet na kasa e show na kasa na helmet no ebu uko kakraka afin so we place the helmet after 7 years from the manufacturer
okay.
And 5 years from the first user
wow
it standard authority for no helmet na o magia to mu ubo say date manufacturer na ye no ewo it is ewo mu after 7 years no che say o replace no saa nso na say bia o gifo bi won so after 5 years che say o replace say na ties na na say for no so ewo eye expiring date and also ewo ho afin so sisi ano emre e dey ni ye eni anase tama ela yi bai ekwa kosi bi never 31st e de urubo inti ye bodewuru inti se we ye rider anase bia oyo bia o pese oti union no bra ne begi nchire mu yie process abefa akọ adakwati union na won so a o pese odi okada no eye commercial ayi ni nto no bobo anho eto ho
okay
say je say me kwhye union bi ase union na me kwhye na ase no je say me hu say union no wa register union no anaso a company so a company no wa register afen so o register wie ye no wa ko gi operational license from national safety authority afen so ofi national safety authority no wa ko assembly so akogi operational permit afen dia me so na nkasa no me wo valid license kire say betimi di atwi okada na na ase betimi di atwi pragia
okay
inti sa period ya kan nyina ye bobo a uye obi na wonti bibia ase a oba national safety for aso ye a we cheche ni nyina mu na bibia dana pon no so ye de atoso nti we na basically airline na about okada no kire to fa ya gbo no
okay
mini opare so bibi o de be ko no so bibi no so de bia to yin so ebe to so
okay
it's no senior the boss KWAME TENKORANG new airline no airline 2519 no yeah replace 2118 no because na 2118 no said the name be break ho to say okada no any some other problem into better even there's a part quite related to police because minister Nansama is something and saying police intimate JO
license
physically it was all a provision in the new airline.
Oh okay
Better say once a DVL for some will lay out new plates. It was all a provision in the new airline. Into airline 20 you know it covers a lot any nyama wa kwan ho nyina no ya sesa o ma sesa nyama bebre
I didn't know attention no they say what okada ni pragia for no so no
oh because National Road Safety Authority you know her and that is what is pertaining to us
okay
into Ebeka and na yebebo hu the rule but the airline has a lot of also I think sections near around 100 and something.
Oh wow
Into a dorsal into covers a lot okada near one part of the account because first no LI 2180 no now there was no provision for okada commercial pragia ni okada
okay
anti omo de account nti na omo sisa no kra no omo anya amendment because nyamo no de ka ho no doso aha nti ebi na ba ko na meka ho asem no vehicles are broken down vehicles and this is a new a year omo de buy nti won say o hwe old law na 2180 na first omo sisa o car ese wo kwan ho a no catch police now the triangles baako esi enim baako esi echire
omo tanye
say asay wo urban community man you have 1 hour to tow the vehicle so be repair na bibia say asay wo highway so you have 2 hours to but as you said a bit means you was tried a bit me obinya if it means there was a problem internet they had to look at it into new it has been looked at into siano ni o ma hihye ne say towing it's compulsory.
Okay,
first you had an option this I say you had an option but omaka but na hwe nche otentene but siano be mandatory this is na
sure
oye okotoka oye insurance compulsory no siano oye insurance no now na o subscribe to insurance you subscribe to a towing service.
Okay,
so either a company and I say insurance companies no omonomoka so and also a money who cover towing services now I know it's for the companies now best our service no any different but this one I'll focus on yen as end user and as drivers of or owner of a vehicle no or in yen no so the towing some from saying insurance companies will add the towing service as part of the insurance now to so as part of insurance now to the services will include towing services
na nti eban sana nti se wo ka akosai esi kono se wo se wo be hia se be tuo ka na so you will not be required to pay.
No, yes, because what's as part of your insurance na account. And I say down pen you go for a towing service in Kwande no an edwuma so your towing company. Now subscribe so either of the two na pay BI. But I think insurance na be easier. You pay for that one then it's account.
Okay.
In terms of o can say break it down pay. Say you have to remove the car immediately. It is 1 hour need 2 hours. Provision
okay.
Okay, say immediately so if you so you call your towing service, your insurance company and as a towing company no. O from now catch him so say I say you have a policy number on that baby. You mention it whatever. One more location near there then all the triangles now triangles in there constant. All the triangles now they see then you call them then they come in. Remove it away from there. Normally, I could see a big yard. Into the districts will have yards. Into work will see on them. Then you have 7 days. Instead of mechanic now, the back you so back to your mechanic shop. However you want to do it, and it's compulsory for all cars. It's not only for commercial, whether commercial, private, whatever. It's compulsory. So we subscribe to the towing service. Into 7 days so babe fix it. So after 7 days no you'll be charged for each extra day.
Yes, wow.
ABC hono.
And remember man for responsible. This is a
because that's how to obi insurance company to be kakusi baby obi to na dwum kra.
No ada.
Into 7 days. Within 7 days they free because with your car. But after that every day be adobe a charger ebeka ho say ombeye okan we no be ya amount in terms and the responsibility now is on the towing service. So for towing service no normal be far then the towing service will be sanctioned. Police for kokwan so and I will safety for council and I be bring who say can see ho we say my friend towing service the dad or mom then that one the responsibility is not on you. It's now on the towing company. At night, will be subscribed to towing service not for a wamba. So they will be charged. There will be a penalty for that. The company will have to pay. Also, no, what about you want to say? Oh, me the meniate. Me subscribe to towing service be a me no more.
Insurance.
Me now kano. So car say ya. Nesi kwa ho. na police ho ana road safety ho is composed to say beto composite to apply ujina ho and then fa ho because the rule says immediately.
Okay.
It will be by force towed to the place and you pay for it.
Okay.
It won't be free. You pay for the cost of the towing and a parking is so anytime you are parking will be you pay for it.
Wow.
It is generally no that's with the towing service.
Okay. Wow. Maybe sir, in all this, maybe you said this is a fantastic law. I never knew say details. My say new airline but I didn't know say details were in and I think it's a fantastic law. But maybe maybe some about the response of stakeholders. There's a Okada phone, Praga phone, even drivers unions, and so forth. Almost more response the same. Maybe na ABAWANA na yenya answers to that. But in the meantime, no say we are Brent here, anasa Ketesia, anasa opese we are Sancho Juma. We have good news for you. The idea Kasa TV Multimedia Production presents a 6-week intensive radio and TV training program designed to equip you with practical media skills for today's competitive industry. And you know, say, opesa we are professional broadcaster, news reporter, presenter, camera operator, and say video editor. This information is for you. To more than the 2 and more courses be a news gathering, news reporting, radio and TV presentation, camera handling, video and audio editing, news writing, voice training and diction, interview technique, digital journalism, media ethics, media law. Courses be brain and I have a bikra account. I am from my. And I believe say you'll be trained professionally in all these areas. By the time I be not when you media about wait me more in media houses across the length and breadth of this country. It's a training in area within the 6 weeks now. Your partner media houses, Kasa TV. We have partner media houses. All the media houses. So we call TV station, we call radio, we call newspaper, and I say any other media outlet. Biano, you say we training. You can say by arrangement. No, do alcohol. We internship. We internship. We say we so near. Modern boy was right. You be recruited by that media house. Na Bosumbian also bet me bibi kakra na odi ato dokono edi. Nti bomodian say obetimi etusa na monwe by coming straight to Coastal TV. I saw Pedu Morocco Park oba Morocco obi say Pedu Morocco e wo he obi anim nti oba wa beje forms nibi and I say obetimi afre on 0246 731 371 0246 731 371 Fred na ye ne wotwetwe nkomo concerning where obafa so a betimi a join sa training way so we chire kra na just inform let us know a be create opportunity amount then you come here na betimi a ebama bebi ada na you go through the training program ntino there it doesn't matter where you are bebi a wo bia no wo fosu a wo hweye mo mankesin mo kaswa mo commander is in part of Western region no we have opportunity for you to moment here na muntu anamambra Kasa TV Multimedia Production training the next generation of media professionals. Ntibra, let's make you a professional media person. Then na otimi akwa weni. Ebusafo mama ehwe responsible na ya na in all this no. I say change is difficult. Difficult to accept. Nti bi wo heading sakra ebi ba ya na mo pese mo begia tum say rebellion na asefo no responsible na mo stakeholders say drivers driver unions any sa Okada for no Okada for the maso dey pa any Praga for sa go for more response towards the new airline no say
I think our response now will be positive because oman sheda oman ye oman tina road safety for and a DVL for and a police for antinase and just manage just like that. they were involved in the process.
Consultations, no?
There were consultations over the period. Okada for national executives. And the unions, transport unions, executives, and all that were involved. Any private individuals were invited to bring their concerns and everything about the law before it was passed or made. And all these people, no more inputs, they had the year to bring it on. So for some of these things, I'm sure said the executives or the members of some of these organizations should be aware to some level that some say almost specific they said something like this, but because and online riders yes, the agencies too were part, DVLA, police, and all that were all part. So
I wish you say started implementation now. There will not be any opposition.
Oh, there might be pushback, but we are see then now there don't be a little form of pushback.
But whatever that is happening, it's a process.
Okay.
Because like the old airline, airline 2118, Okada, any Pragia, Titri Okada was in use.
Okay.
But na a year for a year private use. 80 minimum cost me moto. Any be a medical school, a coachra de, and TB, I'm a pentam, mini car, this come to Canada moto, and I'm a deco. But I think a mount private, but the Siano. The idea to me say, you find your commercial. And you can say there's a person your commercial idea. That means that when number plate none we use just a mouth from because you're using for private use. And then no now so one tears and I do use blue now. Then men find yet commercial. So commercial there are procedures and a so we go through. And now one Kasa and the Okada for when I say there has been a whole lot of issues. See, and say, Brabana, a bomb Mobana say regulating. Why not? We can find say, be so. Father, because you see, when you're back in beer, see, I'm say, wait me, I hear you, man. You bet me a regulative, I'm always my pepper. And let it be fire, very regulative, no son. You hear, winny. No, I those are now OPARE beginning need any easy.
Okay.
But like I said, from that airline, buy. And in I could the robot, and I able. Indeed, more answer over one. Then at the moment I able really out the implementation, and yes, I feel Mante and then answer for TV, the robot. Watching I say your tea and various mocks. Next week you see about various terminals, various schools, various communities. Now you're born the rule. The best I'm saying himself will start TV a question almost here. It will TV, so more here, it will be a Facebook, almost here, it will YouTube. I'm on my son say airline aban a year road Road Traffic Amendment Act 2025 Act a year 1153 any road traffic regulation 2026 airline a year 2519 say an airca about Okada say an airca about 2 year service be a whole lot of nema a woman as a benya bringing be a P in say other ones do also the solely duty of the other stakeholders say be a DVLA in some months for now. I'm also so a bomb so dear who they will sounds they been so a police entity so dear also bomb who they will sounds on a National Insurance Commission also bomb who they will and what assembly is also supposed to do into other stakeholders no afa or no need there just on a person into a woman the Okada and a two in an ayeka that does not mean say driver in so no Obana Ijinakwa we see dirty and check it. They are also there. You best say Ubi a more they answer Ubinian chicks about the new airline and sometimes airline abano riders and any drivers and all the one I can say inform authority in any stakeholders any kind. But just almost within the day at Emranasi because Oka say and then minimum and on a young finance. In Tibomodi answer you are abreast and familiar with laws maybe. So never bow one Kasa.
Okay. Na yenhwe how sure are we say sa mefofo ya e dia bay wetimi ate accident ni other negative nyamanyama etimi si wo kwan so no betimi ate so and say be ji free hokra.
Okay. So when it comes to a year motor riders, Cecilia no say individual no nya commercial license na DVLA ebe mbo say your number plate and your helmet. In Cecilia no untimi nga say bia makoje obi de e say wunya wo de. Kana sana me kan ne say emra na aba no at a particular point in time you never catch away because you see as you drive near you see mandatory seat belt. Men gas we dey taxi driver no for bi wo eye Morocco ha ube si nipa no friend say P.R.O junction ti say o nema wo boot na we na we ada be say because say we dey near short distance that be eye mandatory say so bo seat belt. You say oh car na unya kwa either so be parking no ti wo but you don't drive at the same time phone no kuta on sabe nkum na the 75 air driving. They are I think
commercial ni private for you
last 2 years.
Now obviously to me use earpiece at the pick call ana
but at the end of the day no your two hands should be on the steering wheel and focus on whatever thing that
okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Last 2 years and last year now you can be about traffic tech you say P.R.O police invisible eyes are watching.
Okay.
And you various cameras are you be mounted of various vantage places. Ebi won so e be ka say be a commander be ka say na ye mfa camera no ku see e be a UCC first gate na da be si hono. Eno no ye mounted say be a be won no so wo ha dey mounted be P.R.O junction dey onu so be do a camera ni bi wo and dey wo ya aware. But e be won ma eno dey you be tutu. And e dey akusi ente be a commander be ka say na mfa ku say o mina junction dey tu akoshe ho.
Okay.
Ebi won so ye car no na camera ni boom. Car no branded vehicle and you say be a police entity na wo ho na say National Road Safety Authority your car a normal car enye branded but camera na ye de issue eno no car bi abepa ne ho bia no we twa into almost better e be twa o course speed limit more than yes o call at a particular place eno so e be twa a video o drive almost better e be twa o drive o ye ko e be twa e twa wi a ye wo back room on ma e be send notification akọ into send notification kwa omo back room on within a second or within 30 minutes 30 seconds to a minute now wo ni pa kono what say nya message e wo phone so
then some more drivers ni nyina database
there has been a database from National Insurance Commission and DVLA
okay
and wo nti ubenya notification nti na ka say ano say o ton kwa nipa na akotoka na make sure say why a change of ownership. Because say me makoto car if you acquire na my change of ownership say me make say e bia me jam traffic yeah OPARE na ni din war system ni mo dey na say number war system ni mo won dey ticket no
okay
and a ticket ni wunya nso a e come with a link no akọhwe say ampa asem na ye ka no no kre say okọhwe kwa na hwe na system la won ti ase ya betima akọkọ
high level technology
but say achieve there over 14 days che say utua a penalty because they come with a fine and I know so either say we pay with the bank and I say bia with momo betima ide etua but we there was say why asobrache untua after 14 days there is a penalty in the bia oba road na bia joint enforcement na bia the car number na say bia the licenses system ni ma you say bia wo penalty say parking when dia and sa offense say bia wo there wo there bia speeding ya cho 1 ya cho 2 ya cho 3
repeatedly
je betimi remember me ho kwan ma edu be betimi revoke license because say bia offenses na ide adults nti sa system
we check right me ban obi say 6 months and say 1 year me ntwika
nti sa system no so wo ho within the new airline no ye be implement ni nyina
okay
but na me kan ye no police for any detail when it comes to the traffic check almost bon the rule I think there's some time ago from P.R.O junction ABAWANA I think traffic light na say na a billboard it's one of my say P.R.O police invisible eyes are watching aye ye launch wo a police regional headquarters one and na me ka ho bi OPARE me sure said na wo bi ene ahim from penifu nyina stakeholders in nation na ye sa launching no but new LIA bay ye be release implementation of traffic tech no so ye den ɛwɔ so nti like I said ade a ba beboa a che so bia ye na fa mu de yes me enko more than 50 me enko more than
pentam no mo
enko so wo ko ba bi na pentam a simuntem na wadu ntem enya afi na wo ko tana ka mu na wo ma driver ni no pressure wo ma na o papa na me pentam akwan akwanhia no esia ye nkwa na e ba akopɛ abusuan da ye society da ye ebi awo kra wo akaba bɛkɔ no wa ma biem wa abusuan nti e best say ye ma ye nkwa ho hia ye na ye passengers ne so kwatana ka mu na driver ni so ye bibi ne nko yi a e wa sɛ bi sɛ wo ka me enye kom wo ka ba ko mienu miensa wanti a fa ne number or reach out to the authority and as a police ye be follow up ama ye be sɛ bibi nko yi a na de bi ameka sɛ sa me cheche mu sɛ ye call various terminals e kwa P departure checks road safety ntimi nko terminals ni nyina da bia enti ye wo nhye bia ye e ma junior bia de nipa ba ko ba ma ye training won as road safety officers on various terminals I saw mo ye ma ye no so mo na ye sa P departure checks ni ye de e ma ye o de bo ma onye but me kwaku manu me be duru station no say car we de we heta I say sha say ya ho nyina awe ibi car gate go bi kura no utuma emunto memfo man san so ba on so say me nso memfo a akosia wa no so onfo a it will they will make sure to change that vehicle but do I want say oh dey
for ka dey me ta check pa roadway the name sa insurance no because jina carry me ma hwe say car we insurance wo mu a ansa mafo and that's got that so say akwa we dey tu no
ka ties na say hwe say is the journey fit for sa ties say do mu ko because if you am catch from a say ye kwa and I say hye niam according to a space not according to weight
yes
but tie bia wo weight ya efa
okay
it is a boro so a na the pressure accord that time obo so na tie awe mo den aye osesa okovo organizer ho no akubu ogun ubu na boro so a ewon sunsuanso ansonso a ewon sunsuanso e de bede edi beba nti eno nso no ye church na na ye nyi organizers nso mfrim ye ko organizers wo enu mo koye training so obi ba na ebia na time problem ho a there is also advice okay o time no ma ya but issue na na ho je say o to foforo ye nka second hand tire na say use tires enye but they say check the expiring date because when you go to the shop to buy milk and say biscuit na expire na we need the na tire expire na de check na say
no quite dangerous
so that the best say ewu no e ba ko pe yenkwa e ba ko pe ye best say yema yenkwa ho hia ye na bibi ebe bia no yema yenkwa ne ni na bibi na enko yi a ti say driver fo yi a e bia o ko speed enfa bufu nka san che driver but o ba o ka bufu driver ne baka say ne menya ko anko ne from how to Accra me ko 30 but you say phantom boase ene ne kasa na be passengers fo ni bo mo ko tena ka ma titu front of no one driver ni be bon komo saa na driver ne ko afi say wo drive so okada fo
no driver ne be ko saa
okada fo ya ye be regulate mu obo man tie ne ya o so wo hwe asara tie o ya 2 years ni de bia wo hwe asara o hwe snuff o hwe den bebre o crisp agu ni nasefo ye be sere wo e da even crancy see ampo no first no old airline na alcohol content just say e mu no 0.08 sisi a new airline no aba 0.05 nti e be sere wo say yes me no nsa fa nkaka de a me no nsa enfintwi pade a me no nsa enfintwi okada
yes
we safety say stay alive ne jai bonsa madwuma because okono nsa edikotwi car na kwanhia kwesi a we da kwahye bonsa bonsa bia ni kwan so ope mu jai den but nipa na yen afa bonsam
bibia na dia so bonsam
adwuma na yen bu ye se ko
na me nkola e ba fie no mo ga jam se omo call studies as omo ba no mo gina kwa ho omo se akwa na otepra mu a wo twi akwa na ida he was dozing off and ba ko frɛ ba ko se onhwe boy no onhwe ade a oda don't be no me report man
nti e besere say they should be mindful of omo activities na omo din so na e besere ye maame no ne papa no na ti nua no ma omo se omo exercise se wo ye jogging wo kwan ho a make sure say nwumire na na sa homache no won hye atade black it's a colorful dress so that light ne to so a e be hu se nipa ye den and am na so betimi dey reflective jacket bi ahye light ne toss mo so nipa enam ho isi e besere ye ma
na drivers na almost ya na omo shada pedestrians amanfo ne nam car kwan ne enchen sometimes even motor riders so drivers no omo shada en regard omo sa how do we handle people like that
there be ka say kwan no lolo kwan be ka kra bi nipa na da de for de fa ese ka utaka kwan ma ye ka we use zebra crossing e bi zebra crossing apepa na we safety say ye de ye no say ade wi che say wo ho na ni ho no ma then ye be ya boy ho ban ansa na sa de na ba che si utaka kwan ma hwe be nkum hwe nifa sa hwe be nkum say car ne emben wo a no watwam men ka say oh me use zebra crossing team medical team na car na ebentin because say zebra crossing team che so no ugina dabi umumu gina man messing because e bi onu so anyina o de car na bo wadu dem driver ni ne be che no kurumu ayati wonsa menu na menu kura ya djuma kura hu ano sen na e bia obedi dem e bia e be fine but you can come back to
the next moment me hu na che the next moment me hu na e twa na
you could be my say obey den and na etwi pragate e be sere say obey na from the ma me no ma almost us be nkwa ho obetimi hye ne niema ama be hye afa atra pavement e dia beduru eye pedestrians walk way e be serem baby I just show niema bi no ho na e so hye men fa me gu pavement so na say fa me gu pedestrians walk way then ye ba e bi make sure say watwe niema na gu achi but ye mpese ba be he make sure say watwe ko achi so that assembly for task force for ba e may issue emma baby en say wo ton niema e be sere men ton yinna yen from media because media man ya de na mama ya time ya be kasa wa ha aye chekere
o mesa ba bi o
ye be ba
komo na de me hu say mojumedi na dose pa
bebere
until one day is not enough
sure
until we will still make another way for another discussion
because there were topics bebere or program be say passenger empowerment and there by passengers for your tie education and say by your time for education a video say the time at to ya che be aspiring date ewo ya che be temperature class ne wo bibia e be check dem so wo ye wo driver should be on say betima be ye wo defensive driving betima be ni nyina wo nti enuma de ndi endorse no but e be say ye nkwa no e ba ko penti obi anya na fa mu de se betima boa ama e kwan ko se won da ubo no akọ akiri na kwa nhia so ate because na wo kan of anko ni pa 11 omukọ abusia na down mu ebi omukọ eso obi ko to obi school fees okọ e wa mai e be affect ni ma bibiri te be se be to ye bo ase e wo ye nkwa ntempo no ye da ase
pa mama fa sa information ma all our listeners and viewers then we'll say goodbye on this on today's discussion na say we are granting na say this year na open opportunity be abayen sanchonia big opportunity at the Coastal TV multimedia production 6-week intensive media training at the Mamuna radio 20 year radio and TV until no bomodia say wait me aba courses ni bia e say news gathering, news reporting, radio and TV presentation, camera handling, video and audio editing, news writing, voice training and diction, interview techniques, digital journalism, media ethics, media law. Where courses will be as far as the media landscape is concerned. When you then you'll be a professional journalist. You know, Obana say training we are within 6 weeks. Say we are all our partner media houses. Now, internship. We say internship, a bit me abwa. Now, when you have the practical aspect of the additional obesity. In the same way, Chile Quadras always say, "Home bank Cape Coast Plana, Oba, and baby Ada." Now, wait me, ISR training way. Into Momodiani to an Mombra, a Kasa TV, and so Pedu, Morocco Park, Oba, a bit me, and why further discussions. And also meet me after I was 0246 731 371 0246 731 371. Ufreya. Waiting me no attitude in common. Na yamo a lot of information with regards to the training now. The training never started on the 6th of September. And if it and yeah echo September 6th no obetimi September 8th no obetimi aba na ene wa twetwe nkomo ana obetimi afre they will give you further information nti momodnya ne to sa na mo Kasa TV multimedia production no training the next generation of media professionals nti momodnya say obetimi etu sa anamonwe na wetimi suade abeye professional journalist presenter ni nyina no ebetimi anase camera mantisenia menua ben betimi abo bra na production manager ni nyina no training ni nyina edoso nti bomodnya na bra we have professionals betimi amosa training we then you also become a professional journalist and you can change the bio a professional journalist that is what we are going to train you to become the bomodnya to sa and the more we na ina yamwa empeni for yababe sorry nti no yanje monsama edi awie etwato na intime sorry mfi jumadi we so then we plan again say mobeba na asan twetwe nkomo on a different dimension na ya boa ma jumadi receipt jumadi no etimi akoso na edimu
nti no na we try to say sisiano as you start here no LI 2180 no sisiano hu say omo ye no years ago nyama asesa technology craba se na me boss yi KWAME TENKORANG technology craba aba ntisia se no kan cameras ne sa anyoma nyama am de check se wafo memrane sa anyoma no then tamam ye LI 2180 na sa de ni nyina nyeden eni ho na okwada omo okwada kra maye po ama ye de fa nipa
okay
no enti no ne hu hia so mbese samba na sisia na nyame adom o masesa man na yesre se be yeduma na ama ya kwenhia ne so at aba form because it's not like government wants money and a road safety physical and a develop physical na bibinti na ye desan hye yaba it's just so yen crashes I record no on a daily basis no ebeba form into no a man there a very very strict and tight
okay
senya me boss kan you know because okada say untimi ka say oh and I mean register because you could do DVL ho na ko license na do ask you o permit when he say o you number na o join intenti member say wa kita o praga na so okada de nam system nim just like that into no this one there will be rules and the rules will be so strict say it does so be this so and as when this one so the necessary you know measures no so ebe apply
great okay was I think my last
OPARE akara the best of say send e kan ni fitie na ayeko no eye da ubo na yebo nti obi amobo an ho say ena eba
nche bia se wedi afa
say na afache ejinam acha ending of this matter ko see ye besere ena do afache so we safety for ho e beti e ho aye normal collaboration with the police MTTD there no ye nka say airline abenti no ye jai afache ye tie ho agum ye dey do the right thing so far as oye a driver you have to belong to a union now so no kada so now you have to belong to a union the best say will be a more one then they started the implementation a bit easy amaye na easy so ama individuals and a unions and a company na afin so and near my say you go upon so the year adwuma no ye mfa nya adwuma dey me the message says we will kada driver traffic light and aso kokko gina green aso na woko se traffic so and action so traffic so na action so ye best say but more than any traffic so me yin fa ho ma yin fa because there's a whole lot of okada complaints na asefo afi so say who need 21 years and so because sure say untwi okada and as untwi pragia say wow dey na do dey
age for the money musa
intia no na ka say no so no say unya valid Ghana card it's when they be prove your age the best say mention so my say bit my da bona say kind so no weekend mo an ye koi don't drink and drive jabun say meduma na yɛbɛ wodi weekend na ba na yɛankɔte onyene bia within the region and Ghana as a whole.
Yo, yeso yɛdase bebree ɛyɛ Mr. Kwame Tenkorang OSEI ɔno yɛ National Road Safety for regional central region for P.R.O no ɛna ɛte ne nka no ɛna Mr. Kwame OPARE ɛyɛ plan officer at the National Road Safety Authority Central Region. Hanti enyimbre na mpanifo mmienu ɛna ɛno mo twetwe nkɔmɔ ɛwɔ kasa dwumadie so aha ɛna ɛbɛtumi ɛde a discussion na AC nyame adoma ochina yebeba na we'll go into another issue na ya discuss it. And all we do ni nyina ne say ebe contribute to your quota e de aboa magana etimi mpuntu etimi aba oman nyina emu na aka ye nyina and we'll have our share of the benefits that oman ashare e de ama ye nyina nyame adoma medin e de dani abawana ochina so or another appointment with all of you. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye bye.